guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to food to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. All right guys, so today we are talking about the Color Street 100% real nail polish strips. So today will be a kind of two-part in one video. All right guys, so this will be my first impression of these Color Street nails, and these nails are called Trend Spotted. I want to let you guys know that I have been looking high and low to find these again, and I can't find them. They seem to be out of stock, but I am going to do another video of some similar nails in the coming weeks, so be on the lookout for that. Anyways, back to Color Street. First, I'm going to open the package. I really like the packaging. Everything's laid out really well. I love that they're made in the USA, and I love that it's a kind of glossy all-in-one kind of polish, and that it's clear instructions. So here are the easy application instructions here, and I'm just gonna go step by step and basically apply the Color Street nails. So first I'm gonna start with using this nail wipe here, and with the nail wipe, basically what you're gonna do is just to wipe your nails to take any kind of gunk or oils off of them. And I made sure to clean every single fingernail bed. All right, on to step 2. We're going to open the package, and then kind of in my mind I kind of decided how I wanted to design the nails, like how I wanted to lay them out on each of my fingers. And per the instructions, you're going to remove the clear cover and peel the polish strip, then remove the tab and select in, apply to the nail and gently stretch to fit. And then after that, you're going to gently file the excess or remove with your fingernail. This is where I had the most trouble, was the last step, but you'll see here where I peeled the nail off of the clear covering, and then I'm going to peel the end part off, and as you can see, it's obviously sticky on the other end, and I'm just matching it up to my cuticle. And be sure to kind of push from the cuticle up and just smooth it out. Smooth. And I'll show you on a couple more fingernails, but I'm not going to show you all of them because we ain't got time for that. And given that this is my first time, I thought I had this genius idea to use a fingernail clipper, but I think in the end I realized that using a fingernail file does a better job. Alright guys, so I think I have the hang of it now. So excuse my mess. I definitely so far don't think this is like super easy by any means. It's gonna take practice to get used to them. I think it's a cool idea so far. So what you do, there's a purple little layer. You pull off the clear top. If you guys can see, that's the clear layer. And then you peel by this silver piece here. You peel the silver piece off, and then you tear the tab right here at the end to that. And then what I've been doing is putting it around the cuticle of my nail first. I don't think that's how it's gonna work. So put it around the cuticle of my nail, and you kind of just guesstimate by looking at these kind of what size finger it may fit on. But I think you can probably fit them on any finger. You just kind of have to finagle them. But these were more thin, so I figured these would go on the smaller fingers. So you just lay it on top like that. And then I'm just kind of pushing it around. My legs are so shaky. Pushing it around the fingernail, and you kind of pull as you push. Pull, gently pull and push. And then as you pull, it kind of snaps off a little. So then you may have some excess. And I've been taking the other end and just putting it on my other fingernail. Let's see. This might fit on my pinky, so that I haven't been wasting a whole other side. But it doesn't say you can do that, but I've just been doing it. So again, you just place it on the nail bed, push it down, press it, gently just pull it over top of your nail, and it kind of just snaps off. And then I'm gonna file down the excess. So for this one, kind of just roll it around like that. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. So for that one, I'm just gonna roll it around, and it's not quite, it's got a little excess, as you can see back here. You can see that. I don't know if it's gonna show. So I'm just gonna take this big file, which I like this thing, and just file it backwards, and it's just gonna pop off that extra, and then just file around your nail. Like I said, these are not super easy as they claim, so it'll probably get better as I do the rest of them, but this one did not turn out so well. But the rest of them look pretty good. It's pretty cool. So if you take your time, I think they'll turn out the way you want them to. And I didn't stretch this one good enough. That's all right, that's fine. So far, you guys can see them. So far, so good. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of them. I still have 2 nails left, and then I'll tell you guys my first initial thoughts. They have actually already started to chip, and that's probably because I did not put them on correctly. From what I can tell so far, it says that they are easy to apply. Sis, I don't agree. So, you know, I'm gonna say it's user error. So to me, that means it's not easy to use. I do like the design, which is like this baby pink and animal print. It's absolutely gorgeous design. If you can get the hang of it, I think they will be awesome. But as you can tell on this thumb here, and then on this one chipped finger here, it's already chipped. So that kind of sucks. For the ones that I was able to get them on pretty good, which is only like these 2, they look pretty good. Better than I would be able to polish my nails, and obviously cheaper than going to a nail salon. I definitely can't do any designs. I'm not that fancy, but so far I'm on the fence about them. I would definitely have to I'll get better, I think, over time, but you know, I just don't think right now that these beat out my Impress nails. So I will let you guys know my final thoughts in a couple of days, but so far I'm thinking these may be a no-go unless you're really good at putting on the nails and making them fit. Because the issue I had was like the ones that were too big for my fingers, it said to file them down, and they didn't file down very well. So leave a comment below and let me know how, if you guys have used this brand or some similar, how to get rid of the excess without ripping the nail. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to record an outro, but I also wanted to mention, I noticed on the website also you have to have like a host or someone's name to kind of attach to the sale, which I think is pretty annoying. So stay tuned again for another nail sticker type video coming up soon, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and tell all your family and friends about me, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.